Medium missing my dad. Send me like go up on team. See me near the park. Send them a coffee for a fun toy. Oh, Asisi. Oh, Asisi and shoe and sway. Or the name your one and car. What you catch you at some sway. Or the power to me dreams so don't me call. Send a little, a pot don't call me. We find a body. Send a needle, a full. But Jimmy Rush anymore. I saw you be back wash and say, I am more say, I hope and you rest so many. Oh, I found toy. What did you make a cocoa soup or cocoa jameo? So many things be out of young. It is a neon who say, answer. I know about it, and whom no fees will know about that. On quite, say, baby, and assume you know you. Tell them, Michelle say.
Me de na nyu se ba na wo ban ka wo ba me yaso na nkama kwetena ma wale ase ya so ne be ma pa be start na modu ebro na ebro na fifia na enne na me medidi no black se me makoka se me si jaya wale enti no fa we nyina serious hey be yo ya obe yari o wadi na di kwase asem no
nkoma wudi
ya na ma blow
wona wonim bla akobre ti nkoma wudi nyina wona wo se wudi enkasa kora me egu se dia kora ha kora
obafie obra se nyame alom so oye adwuma onye sika to ne boto nti di onye bia no bona mane obeye sister to na asam to twene leti si abonte mo woni nje wonim di yankopon shed ebere share be ade ya trot was black ne nkwa na was on ne tina wa abrabo mu
na na me hu na hyase
ye wo bu on se wo me wa abrabo no me bibi ma no onko na foforo mra
but we de wonye ahio
mane nko
me mom na senka me so me di sa ebre ne so aba
bibo enka honhon no wa anka na honhon ene ko ba se wa yale ada ho ma abe dey
me wo inside
matia
ni be mu wa story wa be kasa sa wo de wo mo bro tima ko fu bi ba hele kama and the bian sigusu esre pede yi ni aba anyway
boy
kama minye pa na ho fe pa na ho fe ori no ko bobo
ade wa time
no e ko
mo e wa ko
Becky na Becky ko han leti me fe no kuma
ye
hu Becky to hasi obi oba be hwe ni bia we dey have cars
no e tuntu
Becky ye ko all of a sudden okofa Becky e ba fiase ya o ne kokotena ya Becky ko fa no ni hu nsuo koka no afige yi ba ya why see tu na me say ti wo buy me na me buy kwa me di kura wie kura
e ko me ko abonti
konantina
mo bia hu se bibi hawo de obetima ka ba nkosu wo tira me sho no ma ba fie kwa bedidi na me hu se me nie na te ho ti me ma me na yese
na ka se pa na sa afro 2014
na ma didi wie na ba me ma me say na ti hu Becky Becky bay osu ni Becky na so hoy osu ni na si Becky na etum sa de Becky wa go di tumaduro bla fida me Becky de me ho kan e free na me kala esisa
ene se wonu edi mu
na Becky what ma ko emi ni atum se na be sho nipa ko have cars ete se ko fo hu no me hu no mo chesi no wa ko eni tuma disgrace ni se wa le be hu no
ware se still na no
jana be so se wa ko hu have cars ako hu ko
eye bibi e besi bia me de awe wo so de nyankopon
na ko kro no de me suma ne pa enche obezi bibi ko
e to bi o to mi kan won sem bi o ti Becky pa de je se Becky ye kokko awa etu
Becky ne twa si
kwai o de ye ko
Becky twa si ko na ha si ko se Becky ko jare wie ye ja ye wi ne ja ye no ko jare wie na so oba o jare foforo kwa de ne won ti mi hwe Becky mi ni Becky je ko jare foforo oba na se onfa ni ma na o de ko jare ni ko sisi wa won ti mi hwe Becky mi ni mi na mi na me kasa wa chiro
o picture
Becky picture tumu na china me twa am
we wa biani si wo
ada
wa biani ra na kasa bibebe
ni akọ wada ni tu ni ora ho se
Adia 2014 asem na obeka ni sisi na 2014 Becky o fie sen 2014 no ekoko are that no
What did you?
Hello o fie se
47 on sure 46
Hey Why
no problem boy let me back let me say ko boli fi na tell like
I say fine I odo de nye hia de a wanya de Hala bra be di ne
Alpha Fantoy Oh the no fat Jimmy yo Alpha Fantoy Oh the no fat yo Alpha Fantoy
You know. Therefore, only 3 here, no. About what do ya? Vivian, can you? About 2 months. Kona ya bibi pa bia mafia. Kwa na ye kan se ni. So abrabo nya ya. So ko tu musem. Kona ya bibi pa bia mafia. Ba ni ye kan se ni. Brahma bro. I find say you know.
Yeah. Hey, Marcus, they pan how? Matufu sa ada ontiana de pa no how emi okeleke ana fumtia okeleke na fumtia de pa no how Marcus
Fumtia
ana ne tu fo onti
azana ade
oh
ana je Marcus ampa je
minia
obra ba shashira
asem kese o ma boa me asem kese o
manchas obi boa ye biasa
pejame
ne wa se
ni ira cha no oh. Alo be bu mi ko ana. Che, o sa palogo. Che.
Boy, ja. Ise edi asem.
Ni gift aja ni. Gift aja na odi num sawo. Gift aja odi num sawo.
Obi anyum de ese ujano.
Jame.
Why chanu? Say my name friend bi.
Amba.
Na okeleke me dada wana.
Jame.
Waja amba.
Menene kranyim unte.
Man sana me kasa obi anyum de ese na ujao.
Wa fa ye funu no. O se woni meja ma min ko jina ba bi kura nkasa na megire.
Sana obaneka.
Jira
Kwa kuma tuyi.
Matufu saade.
Kwa kuma tuyi.
Matufu saa. Ayo kwa no ba jao.
Yabi mansan, yabi.
Ayo kwa no ba jao.
Tie.
Awareda.
Tie. Okoto se obi swa. Jamani nsu.
Ba tie.
Tie mamja de ento wada. Okoto se obi swa. Jamani nsu ka kra ansa. Uwa asem bia. Wona naka. Na sa kwa panoche.
Ro sunu ye. Ubwa tira. Do shi.
Nabose.
Unte.
Mati. Eya. Nya kama ye de chance. To boasi.
Talogo.
Kai. Ose nsama me hwan den. Onum sa won tumi edrin.
Yes.
Magu. Ti dem make am. Mi a nka me de chen de wo ya. Ewiase. Bia o bia me kokwa ye ne ya. Mi nka sa bia me moro. Mi na keto mi aka bia me bro kwa chen de a chen de wo yi. Ati sira. Nyanto bwase. Oso wajawa mananko.
Na ne nkoi.
Na wo ye be ma ho so janja ho so de. Fa ye adwumadene. E dia ho sa be ka wo de. So just here. Bia na Nyankopon kwa no bia nkoba be obone bi na nyame ayede. Apono na ayede amana ko.
Onye me bone.
Ana se wo se ade asie bia na Nyankopon kwa ni ma se boana mani ko dun pempenso bi. No won firi wo nchen. Bia na mo wanti na ko hia no. De ka so no wo sa we adane Michael Jackson. Ye ka sa no yetu fo na wo sa.
I saw a new star na.
Se Michael Jackson na no.
Jina di Jim.
Well, you need monko, you need me to be an answer.
Agbaja. Oh no, say. Kai. Atamuna. Wait,
I go say I'm easy pressure pa.
Wait, I got pam
bra. Asa mo are ho.
Hey, ya, na me ka say me an ka me dey chance.
Enye mepe.
Na me ka say nyawo pe. Ti mislew. We are branch on hunje jan so die. What the forgetting no onko.
Hey.
What I say?
I funtia.
Me na me ka hwemie.
Funtia.
O hwemai. Ana ma special no. Me say nya botes na you. Ono be say hu. So hu say why see ya. O de ade ya be say yo sa because hu say oja o nti na why say. E ba sa na. De bi obako so but hu. That's why fresh ya. What again? Me ja ma kusu sa wa ntete. Wọ́n tẹ ewi ase no obi aja obi a pese otete obi ja obi aso okọ no ongo yiye obi ja obi aso okọ no onko bobla jawa ye hu ya wo san ko sese no ohun na ni je beje no wo sa san ko sase ase we se ohun na ni ya
enye se ya na da ko fanti wewu
o de mani je ko
o na ni je ko na de o yi
ko fanti wa no sa se ya no de wu ya
so san fan ko
su ni sa
de ka sem ti
odo am what the Gifty
na make say odo asem
adwuma den
enti
ama ye no so na dubia pampan Yakopon dum me ba odi abonum ato wo ye wo ye frame papa
obema o kutiwu ye fo ne ebro san
season ka ti o se akwara ndo ye de kro oba ken pa
o kwati wu o ta
adwuma ye me don't know
adwuma o ye adwuma ba nya ma be
onu se wo ja wo obehu se wa burusi ya na ni je beje no obehuruwan obehu se wa burusi ya na ni je beje no but obaba na so ya kama na ni be go no ba sa ba
ye ni boko
wa beton tem ensante tem se oba be sa ba ni.
Yes, I called you. There is a good news.
What's the good news?
I must say, the road is clear.
Which road?
Huh?
Which road?
The road is clear. I mean, you can pack in your belongings and come to my house.
As in?
Yes, for us to stay together.
I don't understand. What about your wife?
She's no more. She's gone.
I don't understand. Make me understand.
My wife is no more. She's gone.
As in, you divorced your wife?
Yes.
Because of me?
Of course.
I mean, why would you do that?
Why won't I do that?
We didn't plan this.
I want you to have your peace.
I know, but you shouldn't have left your wife. Why would you leave your wife for me?
Because I love you.
No, for now, I can't pack out from my parents' house and stay with you. You know, I was actually doing something when you called me.
No. Yellow, calm down. I don't get you. I want us to have our peace.
I know, I understand, but I didn't know it would get to this. Why would you leave your wife? Please, wherever your wife is, go and beg her. Bring her back. You want me to come and live with you so that people around will say because of me you left your wife?
No, it's not because of you.
It's not a good name. My parents won't even entertain that.
It's because of love. That is why I divorced my wife for you.
I understand you. But my parents will not entertain this at all, and the community will not entertain this. This will even make it worse. Can't you see? Things will be worse.
Can't I see what? Yellow.
It won't be your wife alone right now. People will see you and be pointing fingers at you.
For what reason?
I don't know, but
I'm a man at the house. So I can do whatever I want to do.
Please. For this one, I don't agree with you at all. At all.
So, Yellow,
who asked you to leave your wife? What's important to this?
I wanted to have peace. That is why I did that.
Please, there is no peace again. There is no peace. Please. You better go and bring your wife back because I can't live with you. I mean, why? I'm not even available. I won't be available how we used to be. You understand me? we cannot be talking from time to time because I'll be busy in the house and I'll be traveling sometimes. So we cannot even. Why would you leave your wife? What's it?
Yellow.
No, I'm not trying to be a bad person right now. You understand me? Just understand that the community will not have it easy on me. Neither you.
After divorcing my wife because of you, is this what you're telling me?
I'm not being a bad person. Understand me? Sisi, I'm putting your wife in one. If you have one time, anybody can talk to me anyhow because of your wife. You left your wife.
Now, Majama, I don't know from who.
That's what you say. Me, Gramisha. I'm young for marriage, or moving in from my parents' house to your house. It's actually early for me.
Yellow.
I can't do that.
But you said I said you hear the over. So if you told you me there's no go to the baby. A man, your mother, Danny. That's all.
I'm going to so. Me so. Me papa. Oh no, mama worries here. Send me to me. Nyama kwampo kwakot na.
The Yemen. See, you see that damn myself for there. Just so. Or the young con. The young translator damn myself.
You understand me, but for living with you as husband and wife, no, it's not possible, and it's not even going to happen. So stop dreaming. I mean, it's not happening. No, it's just like a dream. You just need to understand. I want to do something inside, okay? Black, I'm sorry, but I can't live with you. Have a nice day.
Yellow.
Alpha Fantoy. Holding on, fat me, yo. Alpha Fantoy. Holding on, fat me, yo.
Stay now to Gifty.
Maintaining can be more.
Now until can be friend. Maybe you are and ask me being here. It's a friend
but you can't some natural with that. But you can't bow when you moon when a Gifty fast so the frame catch them some mammy friend. Mammy mean for many to say, and then one of friend here sending them. Gifty frame, no, one and a Gifty here day. A cat take corner. A kind of Becky catch them, you make a casa goody. Because a prank be more pranking me. It's something him said. When who say or drama woman above from the mood to. And take you over to me the baby after above insane so the idea, Eddie Yammy. Tinamim saw the insane baba a day, ebe mamma motu. Now me fan say I groody or catch no. Beppim and Nam and no cassay. The free Gifty and call or blocking the number now.
A proper number. Was that try a different number, different? Say, we broke one number, it's also the different number, different.
So I can't say more. Ever since I block him in,
one person,
the number behind your day, and frame.
American family, my friend, and they say, what picture? I had been part, which I say. So we number with our name number with that.
I'm ready to go back and go on. I could even be but would you go too much? And Casa, you know. Machine honest. Why try
a bonnet?
Machine on the other don't win. More congress. I would yes, or Cosa, the Chero de Kuguma.
Sure, so which you have forever.
Squeezy be obey at Fogum. Now I should not go him. I should not go him. Dear, can be anymore. Ti ayin de me do gina ho no ohwie mo. Ah do. O ko hwie ni pansa na epi na mi.
Hello.
Hello. I am me Gifty.
Tim se ni moja akwa na don concrete. Wa titi se pasa.
Wakati me.
Wakacho. We also say one wakacha na say msana network ni safrem.
Machine ho. Uja machine no anya careful. Na doma ayi asai so me atititi bebere nsa agudie. Uja no anya careful krebi.
I don't number. Who
say kwachoza? Haya.
Minim ni pako.
No number. No fresh are. Ubo kona yivo ni bia. Ya kaza free MTN.
Hello. Me pa che wrong line why?
Me ndi na cancel.
Wakati me.
Sakacho. Magus. You never to akato you any man. You any ma Gifty. Pen on power. Gifty pen on power. You any man.
It me basi.
Say uncle get ni papa uncle body say.
Enye me pen na wo pemi na semu. Sisi na bofra na oda ne yemu no. Ode na ekoi.
Makusi makachiro. So say sisi a bofra no. Ni mama na hwa akwala no. Ti de jai no. Ni mama na hwa akwala.
Obati mi ni be ma fa furu. Timi kase. Ma be ma no wone ne fa furu no. Ma won firi ni biem. Ma won kase wone ne wo ye funu bi. Na mebusa me ho se da bi o ye funu na da ne yem no. Edian no ode koye. It is say no Gifty person wo ye single parent ana.
Marcus, me dey kan catch you say. Get no pe wan ko onye say. Gifty no pe obi. It would a giant life man.
She say no baby am adwene ne da no. Enye Gifty no. Se abofra na wo da ne yem no. Na ho ban bo etise me abofra no na me dwene ne ho sei.
Marcus say Gifty wa catch you say ni mama na hwe akola no. You dem man ni mama hwe akola no akola ni kim say